Welcome my channel. Today let's explore the 1975 Liberty 1-cent coin is a U.S. penny, part of the series of coins issued by the U.S. Mint as part of the Lincoln Cent program. Below is a detailed breakdown of its history, geography, circulation, uncirculated conditions, and proof values. The 1975 U.S. 1-cent coin, or penny, continued the tradition of the Lincoln Cent, which was first introduced in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. This coin features Lincoln's portrait on the obverse and, since 1959, the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse, designed by Frank Gasparro. The 1975 penny, like other pennies in the series, was produced as part of regular circulation in the U.S. during that year. The design was unchanged from previous years, as it was a standard issue coin.
In 1975, the U.S. Mint produced the Lincoln Cent in large quantities for circulation, which was used in daily transactions across the United States. These pennies circulated widely across the country. However, they were produced only in the Philadelphia and Denver mints. Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark. This is where the majority of the 1975 pennies were minted. Denver Mint, D mint mark. This mint also produced pennies, but in fewer quantities. Coins from these mints were used across the U.S. in typical monetary transactions, and were widely distributed throughout various regions. The 1975 Lincoln Cents were used to make change for smaller denominations, and were very common in circulation.
An uncirculated BU coin is one that has never been used in circulation, meaning it retains its original luster and has no wear from being spent. Coins in this condition were typically stored in mint sets or bought directly from the U.S. Mint. Uncirculated 1975 pennies are often considered to be in brilliant uncirculated BU condition. Coins in this state are prized by collectors, but the value tends to be minimal compared to higher-grade rarities. They can be distinguished from circulated coins by their lack of wear and the clear, sharp features of the coin. A proof coin is specially made for collectors and is struck using special processes. The 1975 proof pennies were produced in limited quantities and had a more reflective surface than regular coins. These were often packaged in special proof sets that the U.S. Mint sold directly to collectors. Proof coins from 1975 generally have a mirror-like finish and intricate details, making them highly valued by numismatists. The value of a 1975 Liberty 1-cent coin can vary greatly based on its condition. Circulated coins, 1975. These coins are common and typically only worth face value, which is 1 cent. The general market price for circulated coins tends to stay close to face value unless they are in exceptionally high grades. Uncirculated coins, BUA 1975 penny in uncirculated condition may range from 30 cents to $1.50 depending on the quality and mint location, Philadelphia versus Denver. Proof coins, 1975 proof coins are generally more valuable than regular uncirculated coins due to their limited production and specialized finish. The value for a proof penny from 1975 can range from $3 to $5 or more, depending on the quality and demand. Rare varieties or errors. If a coin has a rare error, such as misstrikes or double dies, its value can be much higher, but these are generally more difficult to find and are subject to expert authentication. The U.S. Mint has several facilities, and the two main mints involved in producing the 1975 penny were Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, produced the bulk of the 1975 pennies. Denver Mint, D mint mark, produced a smaller number of the 1975 pennies. Other minting locations, such as the San Francisco Mint, were focused on proof coin production. The inscription or script on the 1975 Liberty 1-cent coin is part of the standard design. Obverse, Liberty, with a portrait of Abraham Lincoln and, In God We Trust, around the rim. The date, 1975, is also visible. Reverse, United States of America, and E pluribus unum, are around the rim, with a depiction of the Lincoln Memorial in the center, accompanied by 1 cent. Minted in Philadelphia, no mint mark, and Denver, D mint mark. Standard design, Lincoln Memorial. Circulated value is close to face value, 1 cent. Uncirculated and proof conditions have a higher value depending on quality, approximate $0.30 to $5. Rare errors or special varieties could command a premium price. If you have a 1975 penny and are wondering about its potential value, it is advisable to have it appraised by a professional or check it against auction sites to get a more accurate assessment based on its specific condition and any possible errors. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more coin collecting content.